Deer crossing. That's false advertising. There ain't no deer crossing right there.
Recording.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the channel. I'm gonna go out checking out some back roads. And I forgot my GPS when I went to work today, so we'll just wing it. See if we can find something down in this part of Arkansas. Well, we found some gravel. About 75 feet of gravel. Which way do we go? Which way do we go? This looks like gravel this way. Watch children. Are you serious? I gotta stop here and babysit somebody's kids? That wasn't in the plans. Are you serious, Clark? Oh good, maybe I'll make it through here without no kids. Don't have to worry about it. Oh, the dogs. Check out that cave. That's pretty wild. Black labs, 2 of them. Good looking dogs. Anyway. We'll mosey on. That's a nice looking place right there. Check out that trailer. Why is it when I get on a back road, somebody always has to come right up behind me? I guess I'm just slow. And then I hold them up. If I don't let them by, you know, then I let them by, then they dust me out. So maybe they're flying on. Get it, Tarzan. Go slower for a minute, let the dust settle. Oh, they're stopped. Probably gonna stop up here and take a leak. This video is not for children. Oh. Okay, maybe they was checking their mail because they live there. Well, heck, if I'd have known that, I'd have just went on. Wouldn't have worried about it. There's a pretty good creek bottom down through here. Down through the holler. This is some territory I've never explored before. So, like I said, I'm not sure of any of the roads where I'm going to take a left or a right or whatever. I could actually put my phone on the quad lock up here and use that map on there. But let's just wing it for a while, see what happens. If I get out here and can't figure out where I'm going, I'll put the phone on. Now that I got the quad lock case with that dampener on it, it's awesome. I mean, that's the only way to go. Got the quad lock case, the quad lock mount. It's got the vibration dampener, so it don't damage your phone. That is by far the best phone mount ever made. I've tried all kinds of them, trust me, and don't waste your money with anything else. Just get a quad lock and you'll be good. And there's always a link in my description. I don't make anything with quad lock, so it's not like an advertisement. I mean, they don't even know who Woodzman Adventures is. I'm just a peon to them probably. So anyway, but I got the link down below. You can check them out, and it's a 10% discount just to go on their site, and they give you 10% off. It's worth it. I got some new, I ordered them, paid with my own money. Some new quad lock mag cases. I'll show you them in another video. They're pretty cool. Well, that creek is dry. It's been dry here. We've had some rain, but not nearly enough. You can see this creek over here. Yeah, ain't gonna go swimming in that. Not for a while. But I'm thinking that somebody told me today that next week it's supposed to set in 10 days of chances of rain, so hopefully we get some of that rain. Chances of rain don't mean you're going to get rain. I sure hope we do. That's a big old dead tree. I imagine all the animals would like some water too. Some good rain. This is actually a pretty good road. We'll just take a casual ride today and see where we go. If it gets too long on the video, I may make another video. Chop this one off. Sometimes they get too long. People don't like real long videos. I do, but when I watch them, I like the long videos. That's quite a bridge. They took a train trailer, or a train flatbed car, and made a bridge out of it. Should be heavy duty. We might end up down in here where the banjos play. I don't know. What in the world? It's just a bunch of dirt piles. It looks like a motocross track in the making. Wouldn't that be cool? It's a nice day. It's actually, I think it's like 88 degrees, so it is warm, but it's not unbearable. The weeds is about to overtake the road here, and the sycamores. I never take a risk around corners. Stay on my side, because too many people can't understand what their side of the road is. I guess they think they pay taxes on both sides, so they can drive any of it, but I've had some close calls before. There's a lot of pinheads out there you got to watch for. And it's only going to get worse. Oh, I don't know. Left, straight, right, what? Let's just go this way. No telling where we're going to come out at. That's one cool part about the adventure. When you go like this, you don't know, you just go. You don't know where you're going to come out. It doesn't matter. And sometimes it's been pretty crazy. Okay. You come out and it's like, whoa, no way. Can't believe this is where I ended up. Hopefully this road goes somewhere. Well, it definitely goes somewhere. There's no telling. That's what I like about the Magellan TRX. I got the Garmin, and the Garmin's cool, but I'm telling you, I like it, but I'm saying for the back road stuff, off-road, the Magellan TRX, I mean, it shows every one of these back roads, every driveway, everything, and it's so good, especially with that big 7-inch screen. If you get the 7-inch one, it's huge for a motorcycle, but man, it's just so easy to read and see, and to know if the roads go anywhere, if they're dead ends. So I really like that one by far. I mean, for the street, I like the Garmin. It's probably going to end up into a dead end from the looks of it. It may not. Who knows? Okay, there's your swing right there. Swing out over the top of cars when they come by. Makes sense to me. Uh-oh. Is this the end of the road? It's looking like that's a driveway, yeah. Of course. You've heard of, hey kids, go play in the street. Hey kids, go swing over the top of cars. Good thing is they probably don't get much traffic down here. Well, on a different road, but it's not gravel. It's nice and shady. For now. I don't mind these kind of paved roads, the chip and seal roads like this, the ones with no lines. It's kind of like, basically it's a gravel road, they just put this chip and seal on it, so it's actually a little smoother and everything. But they got a cool creek right there, right by their house. And you're not having to deal with the dust, so it's probably a little better than the gravel. Safer, no doubt, than gravel. There was a little bit of gravel, didn't last long. There was a dead bullfrog. That's a bunch of bullfrog. I'd like to have a mess of frog legs. Anybody'd like to donate some. I ain't had none in quite a while. Ponds around here, most of them are dry. Any of them that I know of to get frogs out of. Back on gravel again. It's nice and cool down in these bottoms like this. In the holler where it's shady and feels good. And that creek is dry. A lot of these creeks like this, they'll be dry here, but maybe on down or even on up. There'll be spots where we'll have water in it. It's just so dry right now. It's beautiful. I like riding those. I like riding roads like this out in God's country. In the Ozark Mountains. I'd rather ride them if there was no houses or people, but there is. Coming up on one here. That would make it better, but I just kind of ignore them and go on. Some of them I laugh at. See some wild looking places. Whoa. Don't run through the cow patty. Look at that. I ain't got no food for you. Starting to come over here like I got something. Waiting for the farmer to come feed them. Probably sound like the four-wheeler or the side-by-side the farmer comes down here on. He was like, oh, wrong one. Holy moly. Hey, is a tree jammed this bridge up. This gravel is so soft, it's hard to ride in. I mean, it's jammed up. They need to get that cut out, or another big flood. It'll do start doing some damage. Should I jump it? Nah, of course I shouldn't. Better not. Better just turn around. Oh my, you might not want to read some of the writing on these walls. There's been some idiots around here. Ugh. That was disgusting. It's like a, I ain't sure if it was a dog or what the heck. My gosh, I can't hardly stay up on this. It is so soft. Gee whiz. It's like all over the place. Let's get the heck out. There's some loose gravel. Whatever that is in bad shape. Could be a deer. I don't know where it went, but I may not want to see it again. That sucker was nasty. Rank. I'm gonna get out here and go home. Thank you guys for watching. Check out in the description below. I got my links to my Amazon. Also got the links to the quad lock stuff I was talking about and the new quad lock mag cases and stuff, but that's pretty cool. And subscribe to my channel. Click the thumbs up if you like this video. Catch y'all next time. Right on.